Thank you. I am very pleased to announce today that the Rgvgs Bahini Gaur Seva Sangh Tripura unit is a branch of RSS. Today they openly support our movement, statehood movement, Tipraland movement. Therefore, first of all, I would like to congratulate and give my heartiest regard to Rgvgs Bahini Gaur Seva Sangh Tripura unit for openly supporting our movement. As you all know, on the 16th October, Ipft party have taken initiative to call one-day seminar inviting all political party, NGO, individuals to support our movement. We are going to form small committee which we call Joint Movement Committee for Statehood Tipraland demand. But all is on the process. At the same time, many political party, NGOs are likely to join our movement. So this movement will be really strengthened. Our movement will be aggressive movement, and also I thanks all the political party, especially Tipraland also join in this movement. Therefore, I request all the like-minded organizations to come forward to help us in the movement, so that I think in near future, the Tipraland movement will be successful. Thank you.